Okay, so with this video, I'm going to show you how to manually enter the grades. Um, so let's just say you're working on another platform like Google Classroom, and you already have your grades, and you want to just enter them on the Edupage so that it will automatically tabulate the totals, etc., etc. Right. So what you would do, the first thing we want to do is choose the class that we want. Right. So in this case, we will go with the form first. Right. Um, yeah. Make sure that it's on grades, on the grades tab. Right. Lovely. So but the first thing we need to do is to create the assignment. Right. So we go right here and we click new assignment. Right. Um, what we would do, we would then enter the name of the assignment, test example, right? And I'll leave it at 20 points. In this case, you could put it to whatever total number of points that you would like, and we'll save this. Great. So here's where it comes up, right? So in this case, we could go right ahead and start entering the marks, right? So obviously the mark cannot be nothing more than 20, yeah, because that's the total, yeah. Um, no, sorry, 15, right. Okay, so just remember we have to save to the top um, left. We save the changes, and it will automatically give us the total and that kind of thing. So yeah, so just a quick thing, where the student doesn't have a grade, you could either enter 0, or you should be able to leave it blank, right? Um, what entering the 0 would do, it will allow the program to know that there was a quiz that was done, but the student just got 0. So in this case, I didn't put in anything for Elijah, right? So it doesn't have a computed grade for him, it don't have an average, it don't have a sum total. Okay, so that's it. One more thing I would like to show in this video. So what admin did was they added, or they split the um, the gradebook so into terms, right? So if you click on this drop down arrow right here, um, we would see we have 1 out of 3, this is term 1, 2 out of 3 term 2, and 3 out of 3 term 3, right? So if we go back to 1 out of 3, immediate grades and terms, yes, I did some changes, so I'll just save that. Yeah, so this is my term 1 marks. Um, yeah, so same class, same form for us, but just terms 1. Um, now I go to term 2, right? So this would be term 2 marks, and then we have term 3, and term 3 would be blank because we're not there as well, right? So just ensure that you enter any marks in the correct term. Um, yeah, that's basically it.